Hey, this is Mark from Ruff, Tuff. Now that we've cut, sewn, and gone through the quality control process, it's time for installation. The nice thing about our seat covers is that each customer can install their own, but we can also install them for you. We have an install bay here at our location in West Valley City, Utah, or we have resellers located throughout the United States that can help you as well. With your seat cover, we'll send detailed installation instructions. We'll also send a fiber stick that will help you with the install process. If you have any questions during your install, please don't hesitate to call us. We can get one of our production managers on the phone to help you through that process. Here you see one of our seams in the seat cover that allows the airbag to deploy. And here's the finished product. Brown soft touch insert diamond quilted with our MultiCam trim. It looks fantastic. Thanks for watching.